Hello and welcome guys to this session of ML.NET, a machine learning framework for .NET developers. You can find this complete session chapter note inside my blog. I will give this blog link and chapter link in the video description. Please check it out. If you ended up liking my video, give me a like and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. Before starting going to ML.NET, let's have a quick look on what is machine learning. The traditional definition of machine learning is the study of computer algorithm that improve automatically through experience. It is a subset of artificial intelligence. Machine learning is not completely artificial intelligence. It is a subset of artificial intelligence. So here one more question arises, what is chatbot? Chatbot, we can use machine learning inside chatbot. Chatbot also is not completely artificial intelligence. So machine learning is all about programming the unprogrammable. Let's understand what is the meaning of this. Programming the unprogrammable. Let's say in this case, I want to find out this picture is a cat or is a dog. So in traditional method, what I need to do, I have to write a separate function to check, okay, whether this picture is a cat or not, how, whether this picture has claws, whether this picture has whisker, whether the tongue, how, what is the length of the tongue, what is the length of the ears, how the eye shadow are coming. I need to write everything manually one by one. But in case of machine learning, it made easy. Let's go to my blog. So same thing, the traditional method, we need to write all a program self taking care of all possibilities like classifications, eye, ear, tongue, whisker, teeth, properties like how big the whisker, tongue, claws. But machine learning made it more easier and simpler. Machine learning allows a program to learn from a set of data to figure out what are all the character set and make classification and properties. Once we input our all this set of data to our application to a machine learning model, automatically machine learning model will catch what are the properties and classification of this data. So you don't have to write all this classification and properties. The machine learning program look at all the images and gives machine function to use our application. Means once we use machine learning, once we input this set of data to our machine learning model, it will create automatically one function to read exact data. So what can we do in machine learning? Machine learning, using machine learning, we can detect just now I saw we can detect images or audio. We can do sales forecasting. We can do sentiment analysis. We can use movie or music recommendation just like Netflix or Amazon Prime is doing. We can use text-based scenario. Let's go to here in this particular image case how machine learning will work. We will see. Once we input this much of these are the picture of cat, these are the picture of dog, automatically our machine learning model will create based on its properties and classifications. So next time when we put one input image for a cat or dog, it will sort through those particular trend model and it will give you the output. So machine learning is all about programming the unprogrammable. You no need to take burden of the properties and classification of data. It may be a set of picture, it may be a set of musics or movies. So let's see what is ML.NET now. ML.NET, an open source and cross-platform machine learning framework. It's built for .NET developer so that those .NET developer like you and like me no need to learn some separate skill set. We can use our own skill set of C Sharp, VB.NET and F Sharp to build machine learning framework, machine learning application. Next, custom machine learning made easy tool. Easy tools, Microsoft is giving easy CLI tools and model builder tools so that we can build a complex model from our dataset. We can use our external library like TensorFlow, OXON and more. And ML.NET is also high performance accuracy as comparison to other ML framework, other machine learning framework. Let's directly go to the machine learning ML.NET website and have a quick look on what is ML.NET as per the Microsoft. So same thing I told you, it's built for .NET developer so that no need for any separate skill set. We can use our own existing skill set of C Sharp, VB.NET or F Sharp. Custom machine learning model like AutoML and CLI, these are the model builder for machine learning. Extended library function of TensorFlow, ONNX. We can use this TensorFlow and ONNX library in our applications. It is trusted. Already you can see these are the extreme clients of Microsoft, those who are using machine learning. So you can see the high performance and accuracy. Just I told you high performance and accuracy. So here in this right hand side you can see what is ML.NET performance and accuracy 93%. The training and testing you can see other platform like H2O or Scikit-learn. ML.NET is more powerful. That's why ML.NET is more preferable for .NET developer also. You can see in this .NET website, in this ML.NET website, you can see the fast hello world applications, the code snippet. You can here what you can do in ML.NET. You can analyze sentiments. You can do product recommendations just like movie recommendations, audio recommendations, item shopping cart recommendations. We can use price prediction like I want to predict the price of a house. So whether the house has extra amenities like yard, swimming pool, what is the how much square feet has the house, it's a duplex or a flat. Based on those data, it will predict the price. Object detection, like in a single image, I want to detect one separate object. We can do using TensorFlow library. It's free of cost and it's easy to use. Fraud detection like fake news and other. Sales spike detection, image classification and sales forecasting. These are the opportunities we can use ML.NET. You can use ML.NET model builder. You can go and download and include it in your application. And you can find the ML.NET sample on GitHub, where Microsoft developers are putting their own learning and own story, so it will be easy for you. So this is all about the introduction of ML.NET. In our coming session, we will see how to add model builder, how to use sentiment analysis using our existing data. If you like my video, please give me a like and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much.